I'm going to bisect a line segment, find the midpoint of a line segment, or construct the perpendicular bisector of a segment. The first thing I'd like to do is draw circle A, radius AB. Now, technically, I can go more than halfway across the line segment and I do not have to do the entire radius. If your compass goes off the page or your segment is too big, then just use the rule about going more than halfway across. Second step, I'm going to draw circle B, also radius AB. And where the two circles intersect, I'm going to draw my line segment. And so I've constructed the perpendicular bisector of AB. I also formed technically an isosceles triangle, even though this particular triangle would be equilateral.